Tayo San Juan City Mayor, Metro Manila Council President, and League of Cities of the Philippines National President. Tungkulin ko po, una-una sa pangkalahatan is to ensure that the projects and programs of the national government reach all our local government units in the country. At bilang Metro Manila Council President man po, pinamumuno natin ang 17 NCR mayors. Bilang LCP National President, pinamumuno natin yung 149 city mayors. So very parallel po ang ating roles and responsibilities, except that of course, dito po sa MMC, specific to NCR, in coordination with the MMDA. So I am really functioning as a bridge.
Welcome to MMDA. Kwentong Calzada. Joining us today is none other than Mayor Francis Zamora, San Juan City Mayor and Metro Manila Council President.
Seeing our LGUs and our national government. So it has been very exciting for me kasi nga nakakatuwa po na makipag-ugnayan with our fellow mayors, with all other LGUs in Metro Manila and the country to ensure, of course, the projects and programs of the national government and the MMDA reach all our LGUs.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Noel Ferrer at nandito po tayo sa Kwentong Kalsada, the MMDA podcast. Maraming mandato ang MMDA mula sa public safety at disaster preparedness hanggang sa health and sanitation, urban protection at pollution control. Bahagi ito ng ating pang-araw-araw na buhay mula sa mabilis na disaster response hanggang sa pagpapanatiling malinis, ligtas at livable ang Metro Manila. Sa likod nito ay iba't ibang proyekto at programa tulad ng Bayanihan sa Esero at Metro Manila Flood Management Project. Ang inisyatibong patunay na hindi lamang trapiko ang pinagtutuunan ng pansin ng MMDA, kundi pati na rin ang kaligtasan, kalinisan at kapakanan ng bawat komunidad. Ang makakasama po natin ngayon ay ang Mayor ng San Juan na siya rin pong sinasabing President ng Metro Manila Council. Nandito po si Mayor Francis Zamora. Hello, sir. Proud of what you're doing. How are you, sir?
Ako nagpapasalamat at naging bahagi po ng inyong programa. In fact, I'm very excited to be here at excited po ako sa magiging discussion po natin.
Galing. So bilang mayor po ng Metro Manila Council, bilang mayor ng San Juan at presidente ng Metro Manila Council, paano niyo po tinitingnan yung papel niyo na nagbe-bridge ng LGU action sa mas malawak na programa ng MMDA?
Tayo San Juan City Mayor, Metro Manila Council President, and League of Cities of the Philippines National President. Because to answer po your question, ang tungkulin ko po, una-una sa pangkalahatan, is to ensure that the projects and programs of the national government reach all our local government units in the country. At bilang Metro Manila Council President man po, pinamumuno natin ang 17 NCR mayors. Bilang LCP National President, pinamumuno natin yung 149 city mayors. So very parallel po ang ating roles and responsibilities, except that of course, dito po sa MMC, specific to NCR, in coordination with the MMDA. So I am really functioning as a bridge in our LGUs and our national government. So it has been very exciting for me kasi nga nakakatuwa po na makipag-ugnayan with our fellow mayors, with all other LGUs in Metro Manila and the country to ensure, of course, the projects and programs of the national government and the MMDA reach all our LGUs.
That may be such a major task kasi dapat, you should be modeling whatever is happening in San Juan para makita ng Metro Manila at ng buong Pilipinas po. No? So, what is it with San Juan that you should be proud of? No, dapat yung focus ng mga tao outside San Juan should see and appreciate.
Well, alam nyo, Noel, tama po yan. No? Kasi kailangan ako
Sure,
mismo, maganda ginagawa ko sa city ko. Because
tama.
people say, ang dami-dami yung sinasabi, Mayor Francis, look at your own city.
True.
Pwede naman akong balikan ng ganon ng mga tao.
True.
So, to answer po your question, something that I'm very, very proud of is our public education system. So,
it starts there, no?
Opo, if I may share po, all our 13,000 public school students each have their own tablets. So yan po ay tablets na nagagamit nila.
And functioning tablets.
Functioning. In fact, we just procured new tablets for this school year. Lahat po sila. 1:1 po ang ratio. Meron pong fiber optic internet connection sa classroom, pati po sa bahay nila. And all classrooms have 55-inch smart TVs. All our public school students have free PE in school uniforms, free emergency go bags, free customized rubber shoes. Ang mga basketball courts po namin sa mga public schools, pati po sa barangay ay kahoy ang sahig, maple
galing.
wood, similar
Okay.
to what they use in the Mall of Asia Arena and the Araneta Coliseum. Meron po silang cash incentives pag maging honor student sila. May cash incentives sila pag mag-graduate sila. Pati ang aming public school teachers, 1:1 kada laptop. Pati sila may cash incentives din po. At ang resulta po niyan, ang San Juan po ay number 1 amongst all highly urbanized cities in the Philippines.
Very good.
When it comes to functional literacy rate with a rating of 95%, that means, Noel, 9.5 out of every 10 San Juaneños can read, write, compute, comprehend, and reason out. So
Very good.
nakikita po natin ang efforts natin sa public education nagbubunga na. At dahil ako po ay isang ama, hindi lamang po ama ng bawat pamilyang San Juaneño, ngunit ama po ng aming 4 na anak ng aking asawa, ay yung pag-alaga ko po sa aking pamilya, yun din po
should
ang
reflect.
paraan na
Yeah.
inalagaan ko po ang
San
aking mga anak sa lungsod ng San Juan. So I
Galing.
want our public school students to experience yung facilities, yung mga equipment, pang private school or even better than
Correct.
private schools. And
Correct.
we are now seeing the effects of all our efforts because it's the Philippine Statistics Authority that recognized that.
So it's not parang surprising na pag bumagyo, sir, parang hindi mahirap mag-shift into, di ba, to online classes kasi lahat sila equipped naman.
Tama yan, Noel. In fact,
Galing.
nung pandemic,
Yeah, na-interviewed
number
you there,
1
yes.
ang San Juan.
Yeah.
Pagdating po sa pandemic response,
Galing.
we were recognized by the Galing Poc Award as Best in Pandemic Response. In fact, ang specific program po na kanilang kinilala ay itong digital education program
Very
po
good.
natin. Because honestly, when we started this digital education program, wala pang COVID noon. Naging mas significant lang siya nung COVID because nga
Yeah.
walang physical
Yeah,
classes.
face-to-face
no?
class, yeah.
Pero ang objective namin noon was really to become a smart city.
Very
To digitalize governance, including public education.
Very good. So it's easy to shift to like yun nga, online mode at hindi natitigil yung edukasyon. So thank you. That's mismo a legacy project already, may legacy program. At kitang-kita po kayo na hands-on talaga lalo na pag may disaster, no, mga disaster responses during mga evacuation centers and all. Well, ano pong kaibahan or development niyan sa San Juan na pwedeng i-mirror sa iba't ibang mga cities?
Well, Noel, I am OC by nature.
Yeah, I see that.
Ang akin pong, kahit yung microphone kanina, gusto ko siguro doon na sa
Yes,
gitna. Ano po kasi, no, para sa akin, as
edukasyon una. Tamang-tama yun. No? And then now, yung malapit dun sa responses ng mga pangailangan ng mga tao. And you're always there.
as a mayor, kailangan hands-on ka.
That's true.
Ako, personal,
That's true.
ano ko yan, personal management style because yung day-to-day operations ng city, kinakailangan nakatuto ka. You have to pay attention to the details. Hindi pwedeng bara-bara, hindi pwedeng, sige, delegate dito, delegate doon. No? Kinakailangan yung framework ng governance may establish. Once
Galing.
everyone follows your framework, then delegate.
Yeah.
Pero hanggat hindi pa nila nasusundan yung paraan ng pamamalakad na gusto mo, kailangan talaga tutukan mo ng mabuti.
Especially this season, sir, na tag-ulan, makikita ng mga tao na yung mga bagyo na dumarating. Paano yung araw ninyo? Like, I know you're there early in the morning, monitoring everything. How do you do your day?
Ako, first of all, binomonitor ko yung class suspension.
Yes,
Diba? Kasi,
yes.
alam mo, walang hard and fast rule ng
Yes.
class suspension. Sa lahat ng nanonood na nakikinig, nako, napakahirap hulaan kung ano ang lagay ng panahon, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours from now.
So what's your
Because,
guideline there, aside from yung science, no?
Well, ako po, no, ganito. Meron tayong mga forecast from
Yes.
Pag-asa. So kapag sila po ay naglalabas na ng mga rainfall warnings, yan po yung reference natin. And of course, at the end of the day, discretion mo yan. No?
Yeah.
Kung makita
Yeah.
mo talaga na
Yeah.
malakas na yung ulan the night before and the forecast will somehow reinforce yung posibleng maging decision mo, decisionan mo na talaga yan.
Yan yung tatay ng mga anak at tatay ng San Juan, no? Parang ano yung kapakanan ng anak mo, no? Pag ganon.
Ako po, I would rather be conservative in
Yes.
terms of magsuspend ako at umaraw kaysa hindi ako magsuspend tapos
That's
bumagyo at may masaktan,
That's true.
may mamatay, na mas mahirap pa yan. So at least safety first po tayo.
And then you switch to online mode, di ba?
Correct
Kasi yun
po.
nga, kasi handa naman yung school system ng San Juan. So in terms of like public safety, disaster preparedness, how equipped is San Juan?
Okay, let's talk about public safety muna.
Yeah.
Siguro po peace and order muna because connected
Yes.
po yan. San Juan has the lowest crime volume in
Galing,
Metro
no?
Manila. We're also
Yeah.
the only drug-cleared city in the National Capital
Very good.
Region. So yan po ay recognized tayo ng
Modeled by
PIDEA
yung mayor.
at Philippine National Police. So when it
That's
comes to
true.
disaster response, ano na po, multi-awarded po ang ating lungsod ng Gawad Kalasag Award when it comes to our City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office. And of course, we're constantly investing in emergency response vehicles and equipment. So alam nyo, mahalaga po talaga pag panahon ng mga kalamidad, ng mga disasters, kinakailangan. Meron tayong magagaling na mga teams, not just from the city po, no? Dapat even at the barangay level.
Yes.
Equipped tayo, empowered tayo. Even our citizenry, Noel, dapat marunong tayong lahat. Kaya ako, advocate po ako ng pag-enlist as reservist.
Yeah.
No? Kasi
Galing.
yung matututunan natin as reservist, magagamit natin yan, lalong-lalo na sa panahon ng kalamidad.
At meron na po yung, may effort kayo to unify all the services
That's-
and the programs across Metro Manila also, no? So how do you do that, sir?
Well, actually, yung
Galing
template na
nga.
ginagawa ho natin kasi
Inalalawa.
in San Juan, we expanded sa ating National Capital Region, and I would really like to say na ang Metro Manila Mayors, malalim po ang samahan namin.
Galing nga eh.
Lalo na't we all went through the COVID pandemic, na pinagdaanan natin yung pandemya. So
At tulungan, di ba? Grabing
tumibay yung
tulungan.
ating samahan. We are not competing against each
Yes,
other. We are
yes.
helping and complementing each other.
So, and ingit-ingit ako dito kasi ang laki ng area nyo sa mga evacuation centers. Can you tell, parang ang dami nyong pwedeng makupkop. You have the San Juan Gym and a lot of food distribution, order and cleanliness na pwedeng tularan ng ibang cities.
During the pandemic, 20 waves ng ayuda ang
Grabe,
ginawa
no?
namin. 20, Noel. 20.
Grabe.
So, bakit? Because lalong-lalo na nung pandemya, ang primary concern ng tao, kain. Yung the basic necessities. No? So,
At kitang-kita na ikaw yung distribute.
kasi I want them to know that the mayor is there with
That's
them.
true.
No? Alam mo, sa anumang gera, dapat nasa harap ka.
That's true.
Diba? You should be leading the charge, Noel, as a mayor.
So, in what other way do you show it aside from like giving them the goods, sir? So, may inspections ng centers before, during, after?
Ako po,
Okay.
very heavy ako sa pre-disaster.
Preparation. Yes,
Ako po,
yes,
hindi
yes,
po
yes.
ako
Very
reactive.
important.
No? Proactive po tayo because we already can anticipate what will happen.
Galing.
Matagal-tagal na rin po tayo dito. 3 years po ako
the
as
foresight,
councilor. 6 years po akong vice mayor. And I'm now on year 7 as mayor. So more or less, I've been through
That's true.
a lot of calamities and disasters. So makikita mo na talaga ano ba yung template or framework na
Galing.
best na
Na
implement.
nag-work.
So ako po,
What is that? Ano yung template na nag-work, sir, in terms of like disaster
well,
preparedness?
again,
and that?
kinakailangan ahead of time.
Yes.
Ma-anticipate mo na anong problema.
May
So,
foresight.
days before the actual hit of the typhoon,
Typhoon.
for instance, nakapaglinis ka na ng mga drainage.
Yes.
Diba? Nakapag-prepare ka na ng iyong mga evacuation centers.
Yes.
Naka-preposition na ang iyong mga goods, equipment. Nag-tree cutting ka na. Yung mga pumping stations, siguradong may operator, may crudo. Nakapag-briefing ka na sa lahat ng mga
Barangay.
on-the-ground personnel, barangay officials.
Yes.
Even the public should already be aware that in the next 3 days, 5 days, ito ang mangyayari sa atin. No, hindi pwedeng bibiglayin mo sila at magkakagulo-gulo. So, dapat yung mindset pa lang, Noel, no? They're
Galing,
already
galing.
psychologically and mentally and physically prepared no, for the impending calamity.
Doon ko kayo nakikita madalas sa social media, you like update people. You're really, using technology to communicate with your
We have
with your
to maximize
constituents. Yeah.
our social media
That's
platforms.
true.
Alam
That's
nyo,
true.
yes, merong mainstream news pa rin, pero
I know.
alam, people are more really inclined to social
Ano
media.
sinasabi ng
Lahat
mga
may
tao na
gadgets.
unahan na tayo ni Mayor Zamora dahil nasa social media na. Parang yun nga, parang ang agap-agap niya sa social
At saka
media.
yung Facebook Live is a very powerful
That's true.
tool. So ako po, if you noticed, madalas po ako nag-Facebook Live.
Yes,
Kasi yun yung paraan na
yes.
makapag-communicate ka sa tao. And,
Diretso, no?
alam nyo, lahat ito nangyari nung pandemic because we were having events na posibleng 5 tao lang kami nang doon. Walang
That's
tao
true.
because naka-ECQ, bawal
That's
lumabas ang lahat. So we maximized Facebook Live as a tool to communicate with our people. So kahit na nasa bahay sila, nasa trabaho sila, nung lockdown, walang nakakalabas, but people could see anong ginagawa
What you're doing.
ni Mayor
Yeah,
Francis Zamora, anong
yeah.
ginagawa ng gobyerno, anong mga activities meron, ano yung interventions to solve problems.
And the constant communication ensures transparency also, no?
That's
So,
true.
parang how do you like instill that in your constituents, sir? Na-
Well, ako po, as any San Juanenyo, the last 7 years, di tayo nakasuhan, di
Galing.
tayo nakulong, wala
Galing.
tayong anumang anomalya.
Galing.
So, that's something that I want to maintain and sustain all the way to my last day in office.
Galing.
And ako po kasi, I really want to leave a good legacy dito sa San Juan, na maalala nila na minsan sila nagkaroon ng Mayor Francis Zamora na naging tapat at maayos, yung pwede mong ipagmalaki, na ayan, naging mayor namin yan.
Totoo yan. That you're one with them, no? And, well, sir, ito, nung rice distribution, nung June 29, ginoke po kayo ng First Lady as Senator. How do you like respond to that?
Joke lang naman
It,
siguro.
it might be an affirmation also of what you're doing, no? At least you're doing something right.
Well, honestly, when I was asked about it, nagpasalamat ako
Okay.
sa ating First Lady
Yeah.
sapagkat yung kanyang biro po, siguro,
Totoo
kumbaga, para sa akin, kung ganun po ang pagtingin niya sa akin, ako'y lubos na nagpapasalamat sa kanyang tiwala. Again, I have a lot of responsibilities, not just as San Juan City Mayor, but also as MMC President, LCP National President, and yung aking roles and responsibilities po, talagang ginagawa ko to the best of my ability.
Galing.
So,
And it's an all collective effort, no?
tama po yan. I have to really get everyone together.
That's
No?
true.
So,
That's
isang
true.
skill na kailangan mo dyan is dapat marunong kang makisama
Sa lahat, yeah.
lahat ng mayors. Iba-iba ho sila ng personalities, iba-iba ho sila ng ugali, iba-iba ng approach, iba-iba rin ng political affiliation. So, kumbaga,
pero
so
ilabas
much,
yung
yeah.
kahusayan nila at kabutihan
yes.
nila, no? Kasi
Tama po yan.
yun.
One thing I want to really
Stress.
focus on and strengthen na nararamdaman na natin ngayon ay yung LGU empowerment.
That's true.
Okay, Noel, ngayon nararamdaman ng mga mayors na empowered kami.
Totoo yan.
Kasi kahit anong gusto namin gawin, kung wala naman kami sapat na pondo, hanggang kwento pangarap lang
Totoo
yan.
yan.
Pero ngayon, may tunay na empowerment sapagkat may direct downloading sa amin
Yes.
Noel, ng funds through the local government
Yes.
support fund to procure rice for our people, to fund the priority infrastructure projects, even sa National Classroom Building Program natin, dina-download na yun directly to LGU, something that never happened before.
Correct.
Hindi na po tayo overly dependent sa DPWH or
Yes.
other national government agencies.
And you determine kung ano yung pangangailangan nung nasasakupan ninyo, sir.
Through a menu given to us by the
Yes,
DBM,
yes.
pwede kami pumili sa menu na to ng papaggamitan ng pondo.
Ang galing nga. So, is there any other programs, sir, or mensahe na gusto mong ibahagi sa ating manonood about yung kahandaan ng mga tao at kaligtasan, lalo na ng mga mamamayan tuwing disaster or in any other parang state of our lives? Kasi dun sa San Juan, yun nga, handa at ligtas yung mga tao sa San Juan.
Well, una sa lahat, syempre, bilang mga mamamayan, dapat talaga alam natin kung anong nangyayari. Ang ating mga lokal na pamahalaan, ang ating pamahalang nasyonal, gagawin ang lahat upang siguraduhin ang kaligtasan ng bawat mamamayan. Pero tayo po, as responsible citizens, we also should know what to do. Halimbawa,
true.
kahit anong announcement naman po namin, kung hindi rin naman natin aaralin ng mabuti o internalize yung mga information na nakuha natin, sayang naman po. So, we will do our part and our citizens
Very
must do their part as well. Tulungan po tayo. Halimbawa, pag meron ho tayong malakas na bagyo na parating, huwag na po natin hintayin kung kailan na
That's
bahana at saka lang tayo lilikas. Sapagkat magiging mas delikado po yan para sa atin, pati po dun sa mga magre-rescue sa
Galing.
atin. So, dapat meron tayong innate responsibility na, sige, likas na ako habang hindi pa baha. Kasi mamaya, mas mahirap na kung bibit-bitin ko ang aking mga anak, diba, papunta sa evacuation center. It will be more dangerous for
That's
everyone. So, yung ganun sigurong klaseng kooperasyon at personal responsibility sa kanilang mga pamilya, malaking bagay yan. We should know how to take care of ourselves. Also, ano ba yung mga dapat nating gawin at yung disiplina sa pagtapon sa basura, Noel. Pagtapon ng basura, tandaan po natin ang mga ilog, mga creek, mga waterways, mga drainage systems, hindi po yan basurahan. Tayo po dapat magtapon ng basura sa tamang mga lugar sapagkat kahit anong pagsusumikap po ng ating gobyerno na pagandahin ang ating mga drainage systems, kahit papalakihin pa natin doon, kahit ilang pumping station pa po ang itayo natin.
Sarili
Puro
pa rin.
basura lang po ang makikita natin sa ating mga ilog at daluyan ng tubig, babalik at babalik po ang problema ng pagbabaha.
Be like this mayor, he has foresight. Yung kailangan ng talaga. Pero sir, ito na. So, dito may kwentong kalye level up tayo sa San Juan edition. I'll give you 20 questions na
20?
kaya mong sagutin ng one-liner lang naman, pero
Sige
laging
po.
may punchline, no? Pero yun nga,
Okay.
tuloy-tuloy lang, walang traffic.
Oh
So,
my gosh.
yung pinaka-San Juan, Mayor, San Juan ang pinakamaliit na lungsod ng Pilipinas, di ba? It's 5.87 square meters.
5.94 square kilometers.
It's kilometers. So, anong advantage ng maliit? Since ang laki-laki ng tao. So, tell us, ano naman yung advantage ng maliit?
Oh, well, mas mamamanage mo siya.
That's
Kasi yung isang napakalaking lugar, you have really such a huge area to take care of. But then again, personally po, whether it's big or small, what's important is
That's
your
right.
template,
Yes.
is your system. Kasi isa-scale up mo lang yan eh. Kung kailangan
Yes.
mong expand to a bigger population, basta may sistema ka maayos na pinapatupad, kahit lumaki pa ang iyong lungsod, yan din ang maging result.
Do it well, no? Tinawag naman kayong dakila from maliit naman, pero dakilang lungsod ng San Juan. Saan kali mo unang naramdaman yung pagkadakila?
Sa pinaglabanan.
Why?
Because
Yeah.
ang pinaglabanan shrine
Sorry.
po, yan po ang inatake ni Andres Bonifacio on August 30, 1896. Sapagkat ang ilalim po niyan ay ang ating El Deposito Underground Water Reservoir, which was a source of water during the Spanish occupation.
Okay. Di like your mayor, alam niya kanyang history at education. So, you are the city of Philippine presidents, di ba? So, can you name all your presidents na dito nag-reside sa San Juan?
Okay, sige
So,
po.
yeah.
So, of course, President Ferdinand R. Marcos
Yes,
Jr.,
yes.
President Ferdinand Marcos, President Joseph Estrada,
Okay.
President Rodrigo Duterte, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, President Elpidio
Galing.
Quirino. So, yan po, no? Did I miss anyone? Kahit hindi nag-reside po sa amin, si President Corazon Aquino, sa San Juan po siya nag-oath of office.
Oo, sa
Sa
Club Filipino. No?
So, I
Sir
hope I
Godo,
didn't miss any
kung
president.
magkakaroon ng President's Barkada at magkita-kita silang lahat, sino sa tingin mo yung taya sa bill?
Si PBBM, siya ang incumbent. Dapat siya magbayad.
Ang ganda naman, ang ganda. Calya Life, sir. Green Hills, Tiangge, or Agora Market? Saan ka mas marunong tumawag?
Sa Green Hills, Tiangge. Kasi,
Pwede.
hindi kasi, yung ako po, all my life sa Green Hills po talaga. In
Okay.
fact, I was born in Green
Okay.
Hills.
So, Wilson Street Food Trip, 11 p.m. Ano yung go-to mo, sir? Pares, lugaw, o yung tahon na dumadaan pa rin kahit may CCTV?
Alam nyo, lahat ng pwedeng kainan, yung
Alam
mga
mo.
binanggit nyo, yes, all very popular. But again,
Galing.
ang San Juan kasi nagiging hub talaga siya ng mga foodies.
Street food,
no?
yes,
And,
yes.
That's something that we really want to develop further.
Very
No?
good.
Meron kang niche market na pupuntahan ng tao dahil nakikilala ka.
Alam mo yung 717?
The 717 Deli, yes.
Very good.
Yes,
Anyway,
yes. I ate with my son just last week.
ang sarap. Anyway, pinaglabanan shrine ng first battle of Katipunan. Nandun nangyari, no? Kung magre-reenact kayo ngayon, mas ikaw ba si Bonifacio o ikaw yung nagdadala ng merienda?
Bonifacio.
Bonifacio. Santolan Town Plaza or Green Hills Promenade? Saan ka mas madalas mag-selfie bomb with the constituents?
Ako, baka magalit yung... Pareho nating kaibigan.
Pero saan mas madalas maraming tao nagpapa-selfie sa'yo?
Well, in Green Hills kasi, again, it's because Green Hills is my barangay. So,
Okay.
if you will look at yung average hours ko in Green Hills in a day, mas doon talaga
Doon
ako because
talaga.
that's where I live.
And thank you. You sponsored us sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Little Baguio ba ay malamig or malamig lang ang tingin ng taga Mandaluyong sa atin?
Well, malamig lang ang tingin kasi yung climate naman parehasan sa buong San Juan. Pero kaya siya tinawag na Little Baguio kasi maraming mga zigzags.
Yeah. Galing. Sabi mo sa ANC, sir, walang flood control issues sa San Juan.
That's correct. We're proud of that.
Sa social post mo, lumabas yan kamakailan. Ano yung secret?
Well, kailangan maging tapat at maayos. Kasi ako po, personally, ang take ko, ako yung nabigyan ng pagkakataon na maging mayor na hindi ko po sisirain o sasayain
Be
yung
honest, no? That's
pagkakataong
true.
ito. So, I would love to finish my term strong with people really
Galing.
saying na naging tapat at maayos si Mayor Francis Zamora. I don't want to have any regrets. I don't want to look back and say, I should have avoided this. Or
Sir, sa bayanihan sa Estero, 30 truckloads ng basurang nahakot sa MMDA. Kung may award sa most creative basura, ano yung nanalo sa San Juan?
nako. May nakita akong isang malaking package
Ano?
ng basura. Ibig sabihin, ang ginawa nila, talagang tinali nila.
Inayos, no?
So, ibig sabihin,
Kaya naman pala.
pero still, hindi siya dapat tinapon sa
Oo.
ilog. Pero at
Responsibly.
the very least, somehow,
Discard
pinagsama-sama
it,
niya.
yeah,
Pero,
yeah. Para hindi sumabog.
syempre, dapat hindi na sa ilog tinapon yun.
Yeah.
Diba? Dapat yun sa tamang lugar. Pero at the very least nga,
Inayos.
pinakit siya na mabuti.
Kahit pa paano. So bilang MMC President, sir, na na-re-elect by acclamation, anong mas mahirap? Ayusin yung EDSA o ayusin yung pila sa Green Hills Parking tuwing sale?
Ayusin lang, EDSA.
Okay.
Because, in fairness, as DPWH, napakaganda po ng kanilang ginawa sa EDSA rehabilitation. But again, EDSA is a very complex problem.
That's true. And
it
we're rehabilitating it. Yeah.
So, but I'll never lose hope in fixing EDSA. No? So,
Very good.
talagang kailangan lang ng multi-sector approach, no? And of
Yes.
course, additional options for public transport.
Yeah. July 1, 2026, pumirma kayo ng DOLE para sa 10,000 tupad jobs para sa Estero Cleanup. Kung bibigyan mo sila ng team name, ano yan? Team Wallis or Team Zamora?
Ako, Team Linis.
Team Linis. Galing, no? Parang kaya naman pala. No? So, next, pang soundbite ng Hugot Kalye. Kung ang San Juan River may GCash, magkano sisingilin nyo, sir, sa bawat nagtapon?
Meaning how much ang penalty
Yeah,
nila?
penalty nila.
And ako, sa ngayon, 5,000 pesos ang
Really?
aming fine kapag kayo magtapon ng basura sa maling lugar.
So, be warned.
ano ho yan? Through a local ordinance.
Oh.
Maximum amount yan under the local government code pagdating
Galing.
sa penalties. So, wala na kaming first,
Sumusunod
second, third
naman
offense.
sila.
Oh, yes. Alam nyo, yung pagsusunod kasi, kasi hindi mo dapat yan ipinipilit sa kanila.
Galing.
Dapat yan, pinapaintindi mo kung bakit
Instilled in them.
mahalaga na alagaan ng ating kapaligiran.
Galing. Makabagong San Juan yung motto niya, sir. Anong bagay sa San Juan ang ayaw mong gawing makabago?
Siguro yung aming of course yung history,
That's
'di ba?
true.
Yung lineage
That's
ng San Juan, talagang yung
That's
pinagmula namin yung katipunan,
Very good.
yung ating revolusyon na
Para
eventually
mas mahalin nila yung San Juan. No?
nagbigay daan syempre sa ating kalayaan.
Ako simpleng
Bansang
answer ko
Pilipinas.
yung jeepney barker sa Endomingo. Kasi that's all part of the culture. No? 21 barangays lang po kayo. Kaya nyo bang pangalanan lahat ng nagja-jogging sa pinaglaban?
Lahat ng kanilang pangalan?
Pero, kaya. Kaya nyo naman. Yung mga, you see them.
Yes, I see our people. I know them, no,
Yeah.
as much as I can. No? Kaya talagang nababati ko naman sila sa kanilang mga
Galing.
pangalan. Pero of course, I cannot say I know all the names of
Yeah,
each and
yeah.
every San Juaneño. But most of
As
them,
much as you can.
Yes.
Next, kung may Miss San Juan River pageant, anong mas okay na talent portion? Declogging or declamation?
siguro declogging, no? Kasi karamihan sa
At
ating...
may tumutulong sa inyo.
Yes, actually, yung ating pong effort, yung pagpapanatili talaga ng kalinisan ng ating mga waterways.
Galing.
Because again, like what I mentioned earlier, Noel, kahit anong improvement ang gawin natin sa drainage system, kung
If
puro
the
basura
individual-
lang din ang makikita natin.
That's
So,
true.
kailangan talaga magsimulahin sa disiplina.
Very good. Kung enforcer ka, sir, for one day sa Green Hills, ano sa tingin mong magiging unang titiketan mo? Ang nagdo-double park sa SUV, ang motor sa sidewalk, or yung tindera ng kwek-kwek na sumakop ng kalahating kalahating lane?
Yung mga nagdo-double park.
Talaga.
Kasi-
Pet peeve nyo yan.
And, you know why? Because ang dami na nga namin mga signages ng no
That's
parking.
true.
Yan,
I see
nakaparada
that.
pa rin sa
I see
harap,
that.
diba?
That's true.
Gusto ko
That's
sabihin,
true.
di mo ba nakikita? Bawal nga mamarada dyan. So parang
Parang
dating sa akin,
sinasadya na.
na.
That's
Yes.
true. Yeah.
You know what I do, Noel? Kinakatok ko yan. I
Wow.
really knock on their windows and tell them, bawal po mag-double park dito. Bawal po
Ang
marada
galing.
dito.
Galing.
Oh, no, because again, kaya nga, you have to really be able to instill peace and order. No? Hindi pwedeng nakikita mo nag-violate, that's pinapabayaan mo. Do you become part of the problem kung hinaya mo lang sila?
Yes. O, pang mga huling hirit, sir. Kung magkakaroon ng street food named after you, Zamora Overload, ano yung laman?
Sisig.
Talaga? Doon talaga. Paborito nyo, sir. Naku, ingat na rin kayo sa health nyo. Another one. 19th. May smallest city kayo, pero biggest personality. And you see that, no?
Oo, thank
Kung may
you.
hide and seek championships at San Juan, talo ka na agad. Pero, saan ka magtatago? Kasi sa liit ng San Juan, di ba? So, saan pwede magtago sa San Juan? Ang
Nako,
liit.
sa likod ng monumento ni Bonifacio.
Talaga?
Kasi matangkad
Alam na
yun,
ng mga
mataas
tao.
yun.
May nahuhuli kayo na nagtatago.
No, but if you see our Bonifacio monument,
Yeah.
mataas na talaga.
Okay, pwedeng magtaguan.
Doon ka sa likod,
Galing,
magtago ka
galing.
rin.
O last of the 20 questions. Parade of Stars na daan sa San Juan, sa Metro
Oh,
Manila
we're
Film
so
Fest, no?
excited. We're so excited.
Saan dapat mag-ready ang barangay tanod? Maging crowd control or maging sa mga selfie marshal?
Nako, first
Ano mas
time-
mahirap pigilan? Yung camera o yung traffic?
Well, alam mo, it's gonna be the first time that San
Yeah.
Juan will experience a Metro Manila Film
And
Fest
thank you.
parade, no?
Thank you for
So,
hosting us.
We're so excited at alam ko po, no, talagang tatangkilikin ng mga
Yes.
San Juaneño ang Metro Manila Film Festival Parade because it's their first time. So palagi ko mahirapan sila pagdating sa pagpigil sa ating mga fans, no, na mag-selfie sa ating mga artista.
So you're the
Because
selfie capital already because you're mayor.
kahit
Double
ako,
adept.
0.5, di ba? Ako ang
That's true.
champion ng 0.5 selfies kasi
Galing.
mahaba daw ang aking
Bias. Yun yung tawag.
reach eh. Kaya kita lahat. Yung iba
Ikaw
raw kasi
yung selfie stick, eh.
pag nagpo 0.5, parang ito lang daw yung kita eh.
Eto na sir, last na to. Sa dami ng interviews mo lately, ANC, Manila Times, Politico Talks, ano yung tanong na hindi pa natatanong sa inyo pero gusto mong sagutin or sabihin sa mga ordinaryong taga San Juan? What else do you want to assure them of? Kasi I think they're assured anyway that they have a good mayor. So what else do you want?
Well, ako, it's more of the continuity.
Okay,
Because ang
that's
tanong
true.
nga dyan, Noel, ano,
How you carry it out?
yung 7 years natin as Mayor of San Juan, we've instilled our makabagong San Juan governance framework. And I would
Yeah.
like to believe that the people of San Juan are happy with this framework because they have voted me 3 times. In fact, yung aking second and third na pagkapanalo, 88%.
That's
but 88%
trust already.
po ang,
Great trust.
ang botong natanggap natin. So, ang gusto ko talagang siguraduhin ay yung continuity ng projects and programs.
That's
Kasi
true.
ang tanong lang naman dyan sa ating mga mamamayan, naging masaya ba kayo sa ating
That's
makabagong San Juan administration? And if the answer is yes, then we have to push for continuity.
Ituloy.
We have to push for sustainability, or else we'll go back to where we were before. And do you want that to happen? Do we want to experience what we experienced before, or do we want to sustain and continue what we're experiencing now?
We level up, no? Parang
Tama
no
naman
looking
yan.
back.
Oo.
Or looking back at our history, but, di ba, we build on it.
At saka, again, no, tanungin nyo ang mga mamamayan ng San Juan. Because if you ask me, baka sabi, bias si Mayor, syempre, siya ang Mayor. Pero it's best to ask the people of San Juan how they feel about our governance framework,
That's true.
how we have managed our city in the last 7 years. Mas proud ba sila ngayon na sabihin
Yun
taga San
yun
Juan
eh.
kami? No?
Yun eh. The inner pride
mas
na taga San
magandang
Juan.
sila ang magsabi.
That's true. That's true. But thank you very much, sir. At dyan po nagtatapos yung episode natin ngayon. Maraming salamat sa pagsama niyo sa amin, sir, sa episode na ito. At huwag pong kalimutan yung drill, no? Mag-follow, like, and subscribe para alam niyo po kung kailan lalabas ang susunod pa nating mga episodes. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Noel.
Thank you. Thank you. Proud San Juanino.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here.
And see you at the Film Fest.